October 15th is the feast of Saint Teresa of Avila. Born in 1515 in Avila, Spain, as a young woman, she entered the Carmelite convent. She struggled with illness. And even as a nun, she said prayer sometimes felt impossible, but she never gave up. Through perseverance, she discovered the deep beauty of contemplative prayer. She reformed the Carmelite order, calling her sisters back to poverty, prayer, and simplicity of life. Her writings, The Interior Castle and The Way of Perfection, are treasures of Christian spirituality. In 1622, Teresa was canonized a saint, and in 1970, she was declared a doctor of the Church. She is the patron saint of Spain, of those with headaches, and of all who seek deeper prayer. Saint Teresa of Avila, pray for us.